Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session we will see how to install RStudio on Fedora 34. R is an open source programming language for graphical and statistical computing that is mainly used by statisticians and data miners to develop statistical software and perform data analysis. This language is supported by the R Foundation for Statistical Computing. Now I'm going to check the OS version with this following command. This is the OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install R package with this following command. Installation completed, and then I'm going to check the version of R package with this following command. This is the version of R package 4.0, and then I'm going to install following command. This package is already installed, and then I'm going to install RStudio package repository dependency with this following command to install RStudio. Press enter. Installation completed. Now go to the menu bar, search here RStudio, click and open this. This is RStudio dashboard page. The process of installing RStudio on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.